Good afternoon, this is Mark at the Wicked Edge Expert Corner Group, and we're sharpening today on YouTube. This is one of my personal knives. It is a VG10 Japanese Damascus utility knife. And we're going to touch up this 15-degree V-grind knife. We're starting with 800 grit, and we're going to check the angle before we start. We just double checked our clamping position by double checking our angle, and it says 14.9596. That's close enough for me. And then I'm going to set up my stops because we're going to scrub with our 800 grit stones. I thought I had something wrong. Bear with me as I get the little bit of time that you see me spending. That's because over the years I learned by not getting ready, I did something that little, and it put a scratch or something where I didn't want to. So I take a little bit more time now with my stone stops. I know I want them all the way down. I want them to be all the way down. I don't want to start with it a little bit up and have it work down and screw me up. So I'm taking a little bit of time because this is a decent knife. And I don't want to booger it, put scratches on the side. We are starting right at 800. And I am going to pause this now. I'm going to have to stop this. And let me tell you why I got to stop it. Because I didn't prepare myself to sharpen this knife. What I need to do is I need to go into my records and create a folder with today's date with my sharpening plan. And my plan is to go 800, 1,000, 1,500 and inspect it. But that is my plan. And I want to be able to work with the scope and take pictures and record those pictures where they need to be for the grit. So as I'm photographing the 800, I want to put it in a folder that says it's for this knife on this day, 800 grit diamond stones, so that I have a basis of comparison for another time. It takes a little bit of stopping when I sharpen a knife to do it because I am studying, I'm learning, I'm trying to do something here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing, but I'm enjoying the heck out of learning, taking these opportunities to learn by this. And the record keeping, as you see, I was able to look at the edge. There's value to it. So it takes a couple minutes to set it up because we all learned with these fakakta computers that garbage in is garbage out, and all this stuff that I'm trying to do doesn't mean anything if I don't pay attention to details and have organization skills and file it in such a way that I can retrieve it and use it to help to try to make conclusions using the data. So I'm going to stop this because I need to go in with my computer and create the hierarchy so I can point and click. Then when I go from grit to grit, all of the of the position, the file position, the address for it on your drive is the same. And then you start at 800. When you bring up the 1000 grit, you just change it from 800 to 1000, edit it and say save, and it's right there. So you do all your files to start with, then you just have to change the grit so that you change the location that the camera saves the photographs. Thanks.